Okay, so I arrived at the location for our recording client to shoot the talking heads and the social media content. It is starting to snow. It's gonna be a very cold day, and I only have my Parkside shirt on me. But let's hope it's not gonna be too cold. I'm parked relatively close to the building. But the thing is, I had no idea where the entrance is. I only see the apartments on this side. I'll have to figure it out. I'm a bit early. There are 15 minutes left to kill, so I'm gonna go grab something to eat. There's a shop nearby. Just grab some sneakers and maybe a sandwich, and yeah, go for this shoot. Tomorrow we have the conference/event. It's a corporate thing that I have to shoot both photo and video. I'm gonna do them both on the A7 III and try to shoot as much content as possible. And after that, it's the documentary over the weekend. I'm not sure if I can say what it's about, but I guess we'll see when we get there. So yeah. Finally home. Right now I am copying all the files from the shoot today and also preparing everything for tomorrow. I will not be taking the FX6. Those are for this weekend. I'm also preparing the gear for the documentary, but I will be taking a lot of stuff tomorrow at this corporate event. I also have to take these 3 flashes. I'm taking 3 because I basically want to have one on camera. I'm sorry, I'm so close that I'm carrying all these. Okay. I want to have one on camera and 2 in the corners of the room, of what room we're gonna shoot in. So I have perfect lighting wherever I am. Basically, the ones in the corners will be pointed diagonally across each other, across the room basically. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the Godox, what are these called? TT350S. I've got about 4 of them. There are 3 here. I also have one for Fujifilm because that's all I could find at that time. But it works the same, it just doesn't have the hot shoe for Sony, but I can swap out the hot shoes very easily. So basically we'll be taking the A7 III again and all of that. We'll be shooting photo and video, and I'll try to record some behind the scenes with the GoPro chesty thing and the GoPro and also the Osmo Pocket to maybe get some tracking shots or something. I'm not sure yet. I guess future me will figure that out. I'm at the event space right now. They're having some kind of meeting before they start their actual event. So now I basically just have to wait until they actually finish their meeting. I'm not sure if you can hear me. I'm gonna talk like this. So yeah, I'll basically just set up I guess the 2 light stands opposite from each other. The light is very weird, I don't really like it. So I'll be relying on the flashes for a while, but for video it is gonna be just the natural light and the room lights. So yeah, it's pretty weird to vlog in a mirror. I don't know where to look. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm home. I'm filming with the front camera so I can actually see what I'm doing. I am packing everything for tomorrow, so it will be done so I can relax tomorrow and finish editing what I have to edit. But yeah, today was pretty chill. It was a very chill event for the corporate thing. It was a 3 hour and something event. I have to edit the photos and the video, so I'll make a short, maybe 1 or 2 minute video. But yeah, now I have to pack everything and get on the road tomorrow to film that documentary. Okay, so we're at the place where we're gonna stay. It's a pretty nice bedroom. I'll probably be sleeping over there. I finished rigging up the whole camera. I've got the FX6 with the Vaxis on it, monitor over here. On the RS3 Pro, I really didn't think the RS3 Pro can handle so much weight, but apparently it can. Got to set up the chargers on this nice power strip over here. This has to go. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. I have to unpack some stuff and see what we're gonna film tomorrow. So we're finally at the hotel. We finished filming for today. It was very cold, snowing almost all day, and it's only gonna get colder tomorrow. Apparently it will rain, so I will do a little hack. I will be taking the hotel's shower caps to use as camera cover, because the FX6 in this rigged state is not waterproof or weatherproof. To be honest, I'm a bit afraid of the weatherproof because the grill is on the open side at all times, and I'm not sure about the buttons and how waterproof they are, especially the small switches. So yeah, the dead cat did get pretty wet, but right now it's fine and the microphone seems to be working normally. And yeah, tomorrow's the final day of this shoot. I'm not really allowed to talk about what we're shooting, but I did post some very nice photos on my story on Instagram. I'll probably put them somewhere up here, whatever. So yeah, we're also testing, I am testing the RS3 Pro, because I am not sure what to get between this and the RS4 Pro. Especially because of the higher load capacity, but the RS3 Pro with the big plate is able to run the FX6 with the Vaxis transmitter, with a battery, with a big battery on the camera, without the handle, and with a smaller lens, with a 28 to 75, the Tamron version, the 2.8. It seems like the RS3 Pro is able to carry all that weight pretty much flawlessly. I'm gonna try and clean it tonight a bit because it got pretty wet today. But other than that, it feels very nice. It's very smooth. I couldn't believe how smooth it can move with so much weight on it. I'll have to try and weigh the FX6 rig, because from what I know, the RS3 Pro has a 4.5 kilo total weight capacity, and I think we're a bit over that, because this rig is not lightweight. The FX6 by itself weighs like 1 kilogram. So yeah, until then I will be taking a shower and catching some sleep, because I couldn't really sleep for the past few days. So yeah, I have to also download and back up everything, so maybe I'll show you my process for doing that. Okay, so I'm now copying everything. I've got the SD cards here and chargers over there. So basically my process is pretty easy. I take the cards from the FX6 and from all the other cameras that I need to download. Use the Lexar reader right here. It's a double reader with a CFast adapter on the other side, because I still use some CFast cameras. And here I have an SD card and a micro SD. And I just copy everything to my Kingston XS 2000. I've got a couple of these, quite a lot of these actually. They're very fast, very good for backup and working on. Right now I'm copying from free sources, basically the FX6 to Card 1, and from GoPro from the photo and video. And I separate them by days and then by camera. It's a pretty simple process, and then of course by card. That's the easy part. Then all of the footage from here goes into both of these SSDs. And after, everything from this SSD goes on these two SSDs, so basically two backups. And when I get back home, I will back up everything on my 8 terabyte drive. So basically, I don't have to worry about anything. They will also be backed up in cloud, just in case of a catastrophe, and on my server. So basically, as many backups as possible. Until then, I still have to finish copying. I'm watching Linus Tech Tips on the big screen. Thank you, Hotel, for having a smart TV with YouTube. And wait for everything to charge, also to charge the gimbal. Come on, camera, focus. It's pretty hard for vlogging with the iPhone because I can't see when I'm talking to it. And it's pretty finicky, but it's way better quality. So yeah.